Yo, what's up world? It's your boy Philosco here, and today I'm going to have one of those quick, crazy, cool videos, and this one's going to be based on this song by Rocco called U-O-E-N-O, basically. You ain't even know it. You don't even know it. Now, I know a lot of people don't know what you don't even know it means, but let me explain it to you. There's two things it basically means. It can mean you don't even know it, or it can mean you ain't know. Now I'm going to explain both to you. Now the reason why it's spelled that way with the U-O-E-N-O is because that's basically how we pronounce these two sentences. So the first sentence is you don't even know it. But if you say it quickly, you can say you ain't even know it. You don't even know it becomes you don't even know it. You don't even know it. Like that. It's much faster. And the other one is you ain't know. You ain't know. Now there are differences. There are differences between the two. Now when someone says you don't even know it, that means you just don't know. When someone says you ain't know, that means you didn't know. Like you don't know by now, almost as in you should have known. So let me explain a little bit about the word even here. We use the word even a lot in sentences when we're defending ourselves or we're surprised. So for example, if someone goes, hey Philosco, are you gonna, like on Skype or something, hey Philosco, are you ever going to visit Russia? Now I've been here for 10 months. But for the simple fact that that person didn't even know I was here, I'm like, you don't even know I've been in Russia for like 10 months? You don't even know? I use the word even there because I'm extremely surprised. Like, how can you not know? You should know. And another way, like I said, to use it is when you're defending yourself, when you're being defensive. So if someone's like, oh, Philosco, you know, I heard that you don't take care of your kids. You don't take care of your children. Thing is, I don't have children. So I can say, I don't even have children. I don't even have children. That's what I'd say. I don't even have children. Because I'm defending myself. You know, I'm being serious and I'm defending myself and proving that can't be true because I don't have kids at all. So it's impossible for me to be a bad father when I don't have kids. So I just say I don't even have children. Now, when you say I don't even know it or you don't even know it, that's absolutely fine. That's regular English. It's proper English. You can say, wow, teacher, I love your class. You don't even know it. I really love your class. You know, you don't even know it. You don't know how much I love your class. That's fine. But you ain't know. When you say you ain't know, that is slang. Whenever you're saying you ain't know, that is slang. The word ain't is slang. It's not Ebonics. Ebonics is Black American slang. Slang is just common American slang. So usually black people in America speak Ebonics. And everyone else, including some black people, speak slang. That's kind of how it goes, okay? So don't go around pronouncing it like you ain't know. Or you ain't even know it. No, that's not cool. You can do it with your friends, but you don't want to do it in school and you don't want to do it at work, alright? So that's basically it. I taught you how to use the word even, what this basically means. Oh, let me teach you a little about the word ain't. I made videos about this before, but ain't is basically used to make the verb negative in the past or present. In the past or present, not the future, because that's won't. So for example, I ain't got time. That means I don't have time. You ain't know. You didn't know. In the past, in that case. You ain't knowing. That's Ebonics, and that's you do not know right now. Something like that. Ain't is all about negating the verb. So I can even say something like, you ain't call your mother. That means you didn't call your mother. Or you ain't calling your mother. That means you're not calling your mother, okay? You ain't call your mother. You didn't call her. You ain't calling your mother. You're not calling her. So when you want to use ain't and speak about the right now, present tense, you want to use the verb in the ing form. So I ain't playing basketball. That means I'm not playing right now. But if I say I ain't played basketball, that means I didn't play in the past, okay? So the word ain't, I made videos about that. You can find it, so I don't want to get too into it. But this basically means you ain't know. Or you ain't even know it. There's two ways, alright? And if you want to hear the song, you can go find it. It's by Rocco. You can find it on YouTube. If you're watching this video on Contacted, all you gotta do is look under the video and you'll see the song. You play it and you hear him. There's one guy in the song who does use it as a you ain't know. And it's not that he's saying it faster, it's just he's saying you ain't know, okay? And the other guys are basically saying you don't even know it. You don't even know it. Like that. So hopefully some of you care about this lesson. And that's basically it, people. I'm out. Later.